The testimony of a taxi operator took center stage today in the continued trial of 3 Clarendon cops accused of being part of a death squad. The taxi driver, who is a state witness, said he was present when Andrew Bisson was shot dead by members of a police team in Hayes, Clarendon in September 2011. Detective Corporal Kevin Adams, District Constable Howard Brown, and Constable Carl Buckner are on trial for the murder of Andrew Bisson. According to the witness, he was at a garage in Cornpeace, Clarendon on September 5, 2011, when nearly 20 cops showed up and conducted a raid. He testified that the cops rounded up about 8 men, including Mr. Bisson, and took them to a house where they were questioned. He said Mr. Bisson identified himself to the cops as the son of a policeman, but was told that would not help him. The witness said Mr. Bisson was shot dead shortly after and his body placed in a police jeep. The other men were taken away by the police. The witness identified the 3 accused as the men who took Mr. Bisson into the house. However, under cross-examination, the witness admitted that he gave 5 statements, 3 signed using a false name, to Indicom between 2011 and this year. He said he told Indicom investigators that he recognized one of the policemen as Chucky Brown. But in court on Tuesday, he identified Corporal Kevin Adams as Chucky Brown. Despite being told that Corporal Adams was not Chucky Brown, the witness insisted. Constable Collis Chucky Brown was convicted 2 weeks ago for murder in the so-called Clarendon Death Squad trial and is now awaiting sentencing.